Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop MSN news from opening on your Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the Microsoft Edge homepage, and whenever you try to create a new address or a new tab, then it just shows all this clutter. The easiest and the fastest way to get rid of all of this is to go to the top right section where you can see the settings handle, where it's going to show the page settings. Click on that, and as you can see, once you scroll down, you can see multiple options where it can show widgets and show the feed and everything. Simply all you have to do is click on off where it says show content, and that will remove everything together. And as you can see now from here, once you reload, there's not going to be anything on the home page. And if you'd like to make it a bit more professional and a bit more minimalistic, then simply go to the background section back in the page settings and click on off. And there you go. Now you have the most basic minimalistic face for Microsoft Edge to be able to search for whatever you want very much easily. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.